In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit images with Google Gemini. We'll start by getting your images into Gemini, then use plain English prompts to edit them, and finish with a few creative extras you can try right away. First, open the Google Gemini app on your device or go to gemini.google.com in your browser. Once you're in, look for the image editing or image generation area. Depending on your version, it may be labeled something like Nano Banana or Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. Tap or click the upload option and choose one or several images from your device. After they're uploaded, Gemini will analyze them in the background so it's ready to follow your editing instructions without you hunting through complicated toolbars. Now, for the fun part, editing with natural language. You don't need advanced photo terminology, just tell Gemini what you want. For example, say, change the background to a sunset beach, or try, replace the person's shirt with a red jacket. If you're combining photos, you can ask, blend these two photos to create a new scene. Need small cleanup? Say, remove the bird on the bench. Be specific about subjects, colors, lighting, or mood to get more accurate results. Gemini supports multi-turn editing, so you can refine the same image step by step. If the first result is close but not perfect, give a follow-up like, make the beach a little brighter, keep the jacket but add a soft shadow, or soften the background while keeping the face sharp. You can also target areas by naming them, like warm up the sky or darken the foreground. You can transfer styles and textures between images for creative effects. Upload a reference image with a look you love, then ask Gemini to apply that style to objects in another image. This is great for matching a brand aesthetic or making a collage feel cohesive. As you work, you can tweak colors, add or remove objects, and blend photos so they feel seamless while preserving the details you want to keep. When blending multiple images, mention which one should be the primary base to guide the composition. Beyond editing, Gemini can generate brand new images from text prompts or from combinations of the images you've uploaded. When your stills are ready, you can convert them into short videos or storyboards right inside Gemini to visualize motion or plan a sequence. Every image that's generated or edited with AI includes visible or invisible watermarks to maintain transparency. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Gemini tips and tutorials.